Hello guys, I've got the Beyerdynamic here, DT 990 Pro. These are the limited black edition, and they're for studio headset, or if you like listen to music and that. But you need a very good DAC to power them, because these ones are 250 ohms. So you need a lot of power to run them. Let's get straight into it. So here we go, your Beyerdynamics. That's nice. Okay, just pop out. Okay, let me put the headset aside here. So what do you get in the box? You get a simple carrying bag with the brand name on it. Okay. And some instructions. Here we go. Okay. And these are the headset. So they're looking nice in person. It's made out of strong plastic, metal. There's a nice leathery texture. So to open them, let's see how we open them. So open it from there. Okay. Sorry about my throat guys, it's a bit sore. So if you look here, you got the big jack here. So I'm lucky my PC takes that, but I'll be testing that later. Or if you don't have one of these connections, you got the 3.5 on the bottom. That's very good. So here's the cable. So it's a nice cushion feel. I mean, you can see the quality anyway. They look nice as well, and they cover your whole ear. Proper enclosure there. But there you have it. This is the unboxing, but just have a quickly look. A DT 990 Pro, limited edition, 250 ohms. But you can take these off as well and change them. So, but there you have it, guys. So this is the Soundblaster X4. This is the latest stack from Soundblaster Creative. And as you can see here, from similar X3, it's got all the similar stuff, but here you go, got high res and other good stuff here. The reason why I got this is to power these, so I need to test it. Okay, let's get straight into it. Oh, it's very big, quite a big DAC. Look at that. Okay, some app and instructions. USB type C cable and A. What's this? Other stuff, instructions. And here we go, that's an optical cable. So if you've got like some serious sound systems or that, you can put it on. But I don't need to use that at the moment. Okay. Okay, let's get straight into this. It's made out of must be aluminium. Feels like it. There you go. You can plug other speakers into it. Optical cable 3.5 in and the USB type C. There's your headphone and mic. Different modes. Wow, there's no stopping, so just keep on going down. Oh, and you can push it as well. So set your mode. So I'm going to plug it in and see what it's like. Yep, they sound good. So you definitely need a more powerful amp to power these. So that's the Soundblaster. A very good headset as well. But yeah, there you have it guys, that's what I use for my music and videos and that. But yeah, there you have it guys. Yeah, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.